Hi students, let us continue with chapter 22, simple linear equations. So in our previous class we had introduction on simple linear equations and we had started with our exercise 22a. Today let me continue with exercise 22a. So let me start with the second main, solve. So similar to what we have done in our previous class, we will be solving few more problems. X minus 3 is equal to 2. So how do you solve? X is equal to 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Similarly, second question, m minus 2 is equal to minus 5. M is equal to minus 5 plus 2, that is equal to minus 3. And the third question we have b minus 5 equal to 7. b is equal to 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Fourth one we have a minus 2.5 equal to minus 4. A is equal to minus 4 plus 2.5, that is equal to minus 1.5. Fifth question, y minus 3 1 by 2 equal to 6. Y minus 7 by 2 equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 plus 7 by 2. So by 1 into 2 into 2. So we'll give you 12 plus 7 by 2. That is equal to 19 by 2. 9 1 by 2 you will get. Okay. Sixth one we have z minus 2 1 by 3 equal to minus 6. So z is equal to minus 6 plus 2 1 by 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3. So into 3 into 3. So you will get minus 18 plus 7 by 3. That is equal to minus 11 by 3. So similarly, please complete the last 3 sub questions of the second main. Okay. Now let me move to the third main. In the third main you have solved 3x equal to 12, the first sub question. So in this case is how we are solving it. You need to divide, you need to take out this 3, right? So let us divide on both sides by 3. Okay. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Whenever you do something to an equation, one side, the other side also, same method should be applied. Okay. So 12 by 3 is what? 4. So the value of x is equal to 4. Coming to the second question, 2y is equal to 9. So if I divide 2 on both the sides, what do I get? Y is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2. 9 goes 4 times. So 8's are 1. So I can write 4 1 by 2. Third sub question we have 5z is equal to 8.5. Z is 5 divided by 5. So this will get cancelled. This is equal to 8.5 divided by 5. 1's are 5, 3. So we will get 7. So your answer will be 1.7. Similarly, fourth sub question you have 2.5m is equal to 7.5. Let me divide 2.5 on both the sides. So I get m is equal to 75 by 25 is 3, you know, right? So if I need to explain it more clearly, into 10 will give me 75 by 25, that is equal to 3. Fifth one we have 3.2p equal to 16. Divide both the sides by 3.2. So what you get, this is getting cancelled, into 10 into 10, let me do 160 by 32 will give me 5. Okay, divide it and see, you'll get the answer as 5. Now coming to sixth sub question, you have 2a is equal to 4.6. Divide by 2, divide by 2, you will get a is equal to 2.3. Okay. Now let me come to the fourth main, solve. All it's solved only, but we have different types of questions here. Only the first 2 mains are like similar. So coming to the first sub question here, x by 2 equal to 5. In this case, what you know, when you have by form. So in this case, you need to multiply that on both the sides. So that will get cancelled, right? So 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. X is equal to 5 2's are 10. Okay. Second one we have y by 3 equal to minus 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Y is equal to minus 6. Third sub question we have a by 5 equal to minus 15 into 5 into 5. So A is equal to minus 75. Fourth one we have z by 4 equal to 3 1 by 4. 3 1 by 4 is 13 by 4. So into 4 into 4, right? It's getting cancelled. So that is equal to 13, you will get clearly. Okay. Fifth one we have m by 6 is equal to 2 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 into 6 into 6 will get cancelled. 2 answer 2 3s you will get 15 as the answer. Sixth one we have n by 7 equal to minus 2.8. So into 7 into 7. 7 and 7 is getting cancelled. N is equal to 2.8 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So you'll get answer as 19.6 minus 19.6. Hope it's clear. Coming to the fifth main, solve. So again, similar way we have to do minus 2x equal to 8. So let me divide it by minus 2 on both the sides. Okay. So it's getting cancelled. Minus by minus is plus. X is equal to 8 by minus 2 will give you minus 4. Okay. Second sub question, minus 3.5 equal to 14. Minus 3.5 minus 3.5. So this will get cancelled into 10 into 10. That will give me 140 by 35. So let me cancel it. 5 goes how many times? 7 times. 5 will go 2, 8. 28 by 7 is 4. So you'll get the answer as minus 4. This is minus, right? Minus 4. Third sub question we have minus 5z is equal to 4. Minus 5 minus 5. So your answer is z is equal to minus 4 by 5. Fourth one we have minus 5 equal to a plus 3. So you'll get a is equal to minus 5 minus 3, that is equal to minus 8. Fifth one we have 2 is equal to p plus 5. P is equal to 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3. Sixth up question we have 4.5 equal to m minus 2.7. So m is equal to 4.5 plus 2.7, that is equal to 7.2. Seventh one we have 3 2 by 5, that is 17 by 5 equal to x minus 2 into 3 is 6, 7 by 3. So x is equal to, or I can write 17 by 5 plus 7 by 3 equal to x into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So what do you get? 17 3s are 51 plus 35 by 15 equal to x. 51 plus 35 will give you 86 by 15. 86 by 15 will give you how much? 3 5s are 75. So your answer is 511 by 15. Now eighth one we have 5 is equal to m plus 3 4 by 7. M is equal to 5 minus 3 cents 21 25 by 7. 7 7. So what do you get? 35 minus 25 by 7 will give you 10 by 7, that is equal to 1 3 by 7. Ninth one we have minus 2 1 by 5 equal to y by minus 4. So minus 2 minus 11 by 5 plus 4 equal to y. So what do you get? Into 5 into 5. Minus 11 plus 20 by 5 equal to y equal to 9 by 5 equal to 1 4 by 5. Hope it's clear, children. Complete the following in your classwork. Thank you, students.